Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue east on I-10 in Louisiana, beginning on the eastern edge of the city of Sulphur. On the right is the western end of the I-210 bypass around Lake Charles. US 90 temporarily joins I-10 for the second and final time in Louisiana. Ahead is the narrow steel truss bridge over the Calcasieu River built in 1952. While we're on this bridge, we briefly enter the city limits of Westlake, which has a population of 4,659 as of 2016. This bridge has been part of a controversy since 2002 concerning bridge safety issues and replacement, with a detailed report that provided planning for a new bridge and corridor improvements. As of 2015, there have been some corridor improvements, but no new bridge is in the foreseeable future. We enter the city of Lake Charles, the fifth largest city in Louisiana. As of 2016, the population is 76,848. The town was first incorporated in 1857 as Charleston after an early settler, Charles Sallier. 10 years later, on March 16, 1867, Charleston was reincorporated as the city of Lake Charles. In 1910, a fire, known as the Great Fire of 1910, devastated much of the city. However, Lake Charles soon rebuilt itself and continued to grow and expand in the 20th century. The Charleston Hotel was completed in 1929 during the administration of Mayor Henry J. Geary. During and after World War II, Lake Charles experienced industrial growth with the onset of the petrochemical refining industries. The city grew to a high of some 75,000 people in the early 1980s, but with local economic recession, the population declined. With the advent of the gaming, manufacturing, and aviation maintenance industries, the city rebounded with a population of 71,993 as of 2010. Here we pass through the city of Iowa, which has a population of 3,291. We conclude today's video at exit 48. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.